All right, so getting a sync error in Bitwarden? Yeah, that can stop your passwords from updating across devices. But don't worry, I'll show you how to fix it step by step. First, quick idea. Sync errors usually happen because of internet issues, login problems, or server-related errors. Start by checking your internet connection. A weak or unstable connection can cause syncing to fail. Next, try syncing your Vault manually from the settings. If that doesn't work, log out of your account and log back in. This refreshes your session and often fixes the issue. Make sure your Bitwarden app is updated to the latest version. You should also check if Bitwarden servers are down. If they are, you'll need to wait until they're back online. On mobile devices, try clearing the app cache to remove temporary bugs. Also, check your device date and time settings. Incorrect settings can sometimes cause sync problems. If you're using Bitwarden in a browser, refresh the page or reinstall the extension. If nothing works, reinstall the app completely. And always make sure your Vault is backed up before doing any major troubleshooting. So, yeah, these steps should fix most Bitwarden sync errors quickly. And if this helped you out, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. More tech fixes coming soon.